Good morning, students of class 9. Yeah, welcome back to the e-classes. We are doing English, the poem, The Road Not Taken. And today's date is 13th of May 2021. So, in our previous class, we have talked about the theme of the story, theme of the poem. Today, we'll talk about the message. So, the message of the poem. So what the writer wants to tell us, what message he wants us to learn or know. So there are altogether 5 points I've written over here. Listen carefully and we'll go through this. We learn a lesson from this poem. So something to learn. The poet presents the difficulty in making a choice in life. In this poem, the writer faces difficulties while making his choice. So it applies to us also in our life. We find many challenges, difficulties, hurdles, and we find it very difficult to choose or decide. The poet presents the difficulty in making a choice in life. So life is full of challenges and difficulties. So that we know life is full of challenges, hurdles and difficulties. The path of life is not always straight. It is not always straight. There are bends, there are twists and turns. So but life provides us many options. There are many options. So you have to choose very wisely the right option. So now here number 2, various options. Sometimes there are so many options. Various options sometimes confuse us. So these various options sometimes confuse us and we cannot take the right decision sometimes. Or we cannot make the right choice because we get confused. There are so many options. A wrong choice makes all the difference in life. If you make a wrong choice, it will make a lot of difference in your life. So that means while making choice, you have to be very, very thoughtful and careful. After a lot of thoughts and consideration, you have to make the right choice. So now number 3, our success depends on the decision we make or we take at the present. At the present time, if you take the right decision or right choice, your future will be bright. If you make a wrong choice at present, your future will be ruined. So, our success depends on the decision that we take at present. One false decision or one wrong move, a false choice ruins the countless happy moments of our life. A wrong choice at the present time will ruin or spoil our happy moments in life, later in life, and create disappointment. We will get disappointed and we forget the essence of life. We forget the essence of life, means we forget the true nature and the importance of life. Because we get disappointed, we cannot think properly, always we feel upset, we feel always sorry for the wrong decision we make. So, therefore, that means what we have to do. The writer sends us the message, therefore choices should be made carefully and thoughtfully. Therefore, the choices have to be made very carefully and thoughtfully. One should behave responsibly because life does not offer multiple chances every now and then. Life will not provide many chances. Chances, they come once in a while. So you have to make careful choices. You have to be very responsible, thoughtful, and make right move because life will not provide us many chances. Opportunities comes once in a while. It does not come again and again. So that means you have to be very, very careful. You have the opportunity right now to study. if you fail to study or provide sufficient time, or if you do not understand the value of time, your future depends on the right choice you make now. So that means your responsibility is to study right now, and in future your future will be bright. So number 5, choices and decision. Each and everyone have to make choices, and each and everyone have to decide himself or herself. The choices and decisions are like our steps. It is like our steps. One step leads to another. One success leads to another. So that means if you make the right choice, right decision, you will move forward easily. Choices and decisions are like our steps that carry us forward, and future depend upon the choices we make now. So our future really depends upon the choices and decisions we make at present. Therefore, you have to be very, very careful what your responsibility is. You should know what you have to do in future, what choices you make now. So after thoughtful consideration and a lot of thoughts, you do your work properly. So that is the message, and that's the end of the poem. So in our next class, next video, we'll do the next poem, The Wind. Here also we learn a lot of things about the wind. So to be continued in our next class, we'll talk about the poem, The Wind. Here also we will learn a lot of things from this poem. So a lot of messages and a lot of inspirations and a lot of lessons we learn from the poem, The Wind. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for your watching, and we'll meet in the next class and carry on our learning. So till then, thank you very much.